Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Chevy Malibu tire. First, ensure your safety by parking your vehicle on a flat, stable surface, well away from any moving traffic. Always engage your parking brake firmly and activate your hazard lights to alert other drivers. Before you begin, locate your spare tire, the vehicle's jack, and the lug wrench, typically found in the trunk. Having your owner's manual handy can also provide specific instructions for your model. Now, let's get started. Before lifting the car, use your lug wrench to loosen each lug nut about 1/2 to 1 full turn counterclockwise. They should be snug but not fully removed. Next, position the jack securely under the vehicle's frame, close to the flat tire. Refer to your owner's manual for the exact jack points. Carefully raise the vehicle until the flat tire is approximately 6 inches off the ground, allowing ample space for removal. With the vehicle safely elevated, you can now fully remove all the lug nuts. Once they are off, carefully pull the flat tire straight off the wheel studs and set it aside. Now, take your spare tire and align its holes with the wheel studs. Push the spare tire onto the studs until it sits flush against the hub. Hand tighten each lug nut onto the studs, ensuring the spare is securely in place before lowering the vehicle. Finally, use the jack to slowly lower your Chevy Malibu until the spare tire is resting firmly on the ground. Once the vehicle is fully lowered, use your lug wrench to tighten all the lug nuts completely. Always tighten them in a star pattern to ensure even pressure, giving each nut a final snug turn. Store your flat tire and all tools securely in the trunk. Remember to check the spare tire's pressure at your earliest convenience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.